Where to plan to hang out with your man, free or cheap? 5 spontaneous things to do with your boyfriend now. Are you currently seeing a guy but are wondering where to plan to hang out with your man next? You have done just about everything you can think of, and now you've gone dry on ideas. Well, this was made to help you out, my friend. You're going to learn some great spontaneous things to do with your boyfriend that you can apply starting today. These will all be things that you can normally do for free or for really cheap. Number 1. Take your dog to the park or the beach. Do either one of you own a dog, or maybe your neighbor or relative does? You can treat this dog with a nice trip to the beach or park. You can walk to either one of these if they are close enough, or if you don't mind a good long walk. You will be getting fresh air and exercise. You can also use this time to talk about almost anything you can think of. You can even play games like I Spy, and your partner can guess what you're looking at during your walk. Or you can play 20 questions, where you ask random questions to learn more about your boyfriend/man. You can get these questions online by doing a simple Google search. Number 2. Volunteer somewhere together. This is yet another good solution to where to plan to hang out with your man or your boyfriend. There is nothing like volunteering and helping out others. This feeling is even better when you share with someone that you truly care about. This is a great way to get involved with your community and build up some great quality time as well. This will lead to a better bond between you two and the creation of new unique memories you can share for a long time. Normally it doesn't cost to volunteer, and there are many causes that you both can take part in. Number 3. Take online quizzes together, BuzzFeed, etc. There are so many online quizzes available online that can keep you entertained for hours. There are even couples quizzes that can help you both learn more about each other. This is a task that you can both work on and learn quite a lot from each other as well. You never know what knowledge you might obtain from just one fun online quiz, and it is free generally. Just stay away from compatibility quizzes, since they might do more damage than good for your relationship if the answers don't come out to your expectations. This definitely falls under spontaneous things to do with your boyfriend right now. Number 4. Go stargazing together. This can be a real visual treat for the both of you. Take out some time one night and go where you can see the stars in the sky clearly. You can both look at them and try to pick out constellations together. You can do some research online for how to best view them before your stargazing begins. This can be very romantic and be an excellent way of spending some true quality time together. Just being under the stars and appreciating their beauty can help solve where to plan to hang out with your man fast. Number 5. Make music playlists for each other. This activity has changed over several decades. It used to be mixtapes, then mixed CDs, and now you can create playlists online with Spotify and other free apps. You can make a special playlist just for your special someone, and they can do the same for you. You can do this at home, in the park, in the car. You can basically do this anywhere, and it is free if you already own the music, or if the app allows you to stream free music depending on which one you want to use. So now that you know this, what about getting him to not just like you, but to fall even more deeply in love with you? What about getting him to devote himself to your complete joy and happiness from here out? Well, wouldn't you love that? Check out the link below or in the description box to learn how to 10x your love life now.